Hello and welcome to TOYSREVIL. This is a follow-up video to my Instagram live unboxing of 2D from GORILLAZ. The reason why the light here is a bit extreme is because of what I'm going to do afterwards, which will become more apparent once I've done it. But today what I'm going to do is, in this video, is attach the batteries that comes with the light up eyes of 2D. And I have found my instruments, my tools for making that happen, actually, because for reasons if you've seen in my previous video, is to assess the battery compartment. It's through the hair in the back here. Let me see if I can zoom in. Basically, to assess the battery compartment is via a screw at the back, or rather the screw is needed to access the battery compartment. I'm repeating myself. And you require specific tools, or rather a very minute screwdriver, which I didn't have beforehand, but now I do. So yeah, let me see if I can get closer for you to see. Yeah, let me put on the stuff. Put on the stuff. Wow, I can remove it. Sorry, all you see is my hands. I'm so worried that the screw will disappear. I'm struggling here. As long as the screw doesn't drop off somewhere. Yeah, okay. This is a cover for it. Put it aside so it doesn't get lost. And these are the batteries. 3 batteries. These batteries came together with the figure. So worried everything will pop off and drop off the table. Okay. Okay. How do I attach, huh? What's positive, what's negative? I have no clue, man. So bear with me as y'all see my chubby digits trying to make this work. In a scenario where I can still edit my videos, this would be fast speed, but I can't. See? Drop. Oh my gosh. It's a failure. So yeah, battery's gone. I have to come back again. Sorry folks.